Hello everybody, in today's video I want to show you how to change context length in LM Studio. Context length is basically how much the AI can remember at once. So if your model keeps forgetting the start of the chat or you want to fit it with the long documents, you can raise the context length. But if you raise this too high, it can cause crashes. So let me show you how you can set this or change this. So the first thing is you need to have some model installed. So here, if I choose the models right here, you can see I have this Gemma 4. Now, if you click on this, you will probably see this info and then next to it, the load. Here you can change the context length. On the default, it's gonna be somewhere at 8K or 4K. It depends also on the model. And before changing this context length, I want to show you the safest way how we can change this. So in order to do that, we want to click on this gear icon here, and you want to find a developer mode. You want to turn this on, all right? Then you want to go to model defaults, and here you're gonna see this model loading guardrails. So you can pick this strict mode here, and it will basically block any risky change. So for example, now on my computer I only have 16 gigabytes of RAM, so it will be not working if I put this on the maximum. So as you can see, I have this on the maximum, and if I click on use in the new chat, it's going to stop me. So you can see failed to load the model. It will also tell you how much RAM you will need approximately. So we need 12 gigabytes, and if you would use it, it may cause crashes, it might freeze your PC or something. So I would recommend going with this option, and you can now test it with settings you want. So let's say we can maybe lower this to 20K context of length. I can click on use in a new chat. Now I'm going to type something, and you can see it's working with this context of length. If you're not using or summarizing maybe long documents, you can keep it from 8 to 12K if you have 16 gigabytes of RAM on your computer. And then GPU offload, you can put this on the maximum and it will make your model faster. So you can test it with the maximum setting. And then later, if you want to change this to default, you can click on this trash icon as well on this context length. And if you like to change context length by the default for every new model you load, you want to go to the app settings right here, the model defaults, and you can change the default context length here. So I can change this to something else. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.